Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Exciting news today as I have opened up 10 more members for the monthly subscription. Due to the high demand, I have opened 10 more spots for the monthly subscription where you will get automated system with buying and selling opportunities, manual system with buying and selling opportunities for many altcoins, and of course you will get educational videos, personal guidance to become expert in the technical analysis, and many more benefits. Join in, I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/mindyourcrypto. You can also join our Telegram group chat, and of course hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. It helps so much with the daily updates. Thank you. Let's go right now to the technical analysis and non-biased and an honest review for the Solana. So right now what we are looking at is to surpass a certain level right here, and I will tell you which one, drawing the fib from the top to the bottom right there, and we need to go above the 147. Once we get there, then I think that we can go to the 160, 165 to 66 and 170 to 71, the next price targets, and we have the 176 also as well. Okay, so Solana found support level in the 20-day EMA, looking ready to go and get off to the next price targets. Okay, we will discuss that furthermore in the price analysis and in the next minutes of the video. Let's go and see a little bit the volume. The volume here is decreasing on the 4-hour frame for Solana, you can see here, and of course the MACD is dropping a little bit down. You can see that we had a bearish cross right here, and now the blue line goes down, but the price doesn't go so much down. Okay, so this is good. This means that the altcoin has the strength needed to stay and go even higher. We are hoping for a bullish recross and the blue line to recross upwards the signal line and to go further above. Okay, we need to get it above the previous high right here, formed back on 4 September. Okay, so let's see right now for Solana on the 4-hour frame, the risk metrics. It is ready because the stochastic RSI was in an oversold situation. Now it's going a little bit upwards. It is ready to go up again, and you can see that the RSI now is in a level that it can go upwards above the 70 again. For the commodity channel index, the same. You can see that for the commodity channel index, we were actually above the 100. Now we are again inside minus 100 and 100, and we just ride the 20-day EMA for Solana. It is amazing that we ride just the 20-day EMA all the way. Okay, you can see the line, you can see that we ride the wave. Let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, you will see that we are having a buying opportunity there according to the SSL hybrid, and we do not yet have a selling opportunity. So according to the SSL hybrid, we can move more upwards. Okay, this is only an indicator though, because we should not trust only one indicator. Okay, I want to open, actually I won't open anything, the Bollinger Bands, we do not need it right now. I want to go to the volume. You can see the volume here is decreasing on the daily frame a little bit, and then it might increase again. And we had seen it before here on August as well. We had a decrease in the volume, then increasing again, then a decrease. It is absolutely healthy to have that. Okay, so you can see now that we have the RSI above the 70 for 1 month, around 1 month now. Okay, from around 12 August or so till 6 September that we are right now, we have the RSI in an overbought situation. I mean, really exciting stuff right there. Commodity channel index the same, a very bullish pattern right there, an impulsive wave pattern on the daily frame, and the stochastic RSI was in an overbought situation on the daily frame. That's the reason we are just correcting a little bit, and we do not go so fast higher, okay, because we need to let the stochastic RSI cool off a little bit on the daily frame. This is the indicator that we are checking on an impulsive wave. So you can see Solana Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour frame. It looks identical right here. We found support on the 20-day EMA. Stochastic RSI is in an oversold. Now it is going again into the default area of stochastic RSI between 20 and 80, where we do not have an overbought or an oversold situation. Okay, And you can see that the RSI now is having a nice pattern going on right there, still bullish, still healthy. Commodity channel index goes a little bit down, but in overall it is looking good. We do not have to worry about that. And maybe it's looking ready to go even higher. If Solana Bitcoin chart has a very nice pump up, then Sol can easily go to the targets we mentioned before. On the daily frame, if we check it out, we have the stochastic RSI, the RSI actually in an overbought situation right there. We have an extreme overbought situation, the commodity channel index as well, and the stochastic RSI was above the 80. Now it's going a little bit down. If we check now the weekly frame, you will realize that we are in an extreme overbought situation, and this is what I want to tell you. I want to tell you that we can't keep going upwards forever. Sometime we will have a major correction right there. Do not be greedy with Solana. Okay, even if we talk about the next price targets, you shouldn't invest so many money onto Solana right now. You shouldn't trade because we are having a very high risk even on the weekly frame. Again, you should be a little bit careful for Solana Bitcoin chart and for Solana against USDT, that is. Okay, so you can see that for me, we can go to the next price targets, the 161, 66, 71 and 76. You can see the price labels right there, and of course we found support level on the 20-day EMA. For now, where are we going to be more sure that we are going upwards? If we make the 176 as a support level. Okay, sorry, the 147. Okay, 147 as a support level, make it and then break to the next targets. Okay, I really think that we can make it to the next targets mentioned at the 160, 66, 71 and 76, but we need, in order to minimize the risk, we need to make it above and close above the 147. It looks like it can do it. It looks like it has the strength needed to go even higher. Okay, but for now we are just waiting a little bit. Looks very strong, and to be honest with you, I think that we can go to the 160 for sure, almost certain, not for sure. I mean, I think we have many chances of going there, but we are not 100% sure for now. Okay, if we close above the 147, especially go above the previous high, of course, then we are talking about the 160 for almost certain. Okay, but in overall, you should be just careful and not greedy with Solana. As I've told you before, we have gone into an extreme overbought situation in the weekly frame as well, and the weekly frame goes for the mid long term. Okay, so you should be a little bit careful, because we soon, or not soon, I'm not sure about that, but we might have a bigger correction for Solana. While other altcoins will pump up, Solana will just have a correction, so you shouldn't be investing all your money into one price. Okay, but in overall, for now, for the 4-hour frame, for the short term, it is looking very nice, and I think it can go to the next targets. Bitcoin right now, as you can see, went above a very critical resistance level, the 51,000 Tether USD, and now it is moving upwards. So we want to see eventually where are the next targets, 52,000, 52,600. For Ethereum, I believe that this is the start of going to the 5,000 Tether USD. I do believe that Ethereum can go to the 5,000 Tether USD, and also actually go first to the previous all-time high, and then we will be looking at the 5,000 Tether USD. But I believe if we are going to the previous all-time high, we are not going to have a double top pattern, and therefore we are going to the next price target for Ethereum. This is very good, a mini market update right there for you. And let's go back to Solana. In case something bad happens, then we have some support levels to look at, for example the 130 Tether USD and some other levels, but for now the chances that we go down are smaller than the chances that we go upwards. Okay, it's not 50-50 for sure, it is around 80-20. Okay, for now it is around 80-20. If we go above the 147, it will be more. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription, 10 more people, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.